we gonna see.
We gonna see.
We started taking off, man. He's a second gear. He tells me, come on, go. I said, no, you go.
You was in this?
I was in this.
Yeah.
He hit it, I hit him, and I was like, rah! I was on the side, I was doing the fucking GtPRiCH like a motherfucker, but I didn't want to let go, though. He's about, maybe half of his car is in front of my bumper. Then I hooked, man.
Shot around his
Richie,
ass.
I went, boom, man. Then I slowed down for the next light. I came up on the light. I come up on the next light. I like to cruise this shit like this. I never really get on until like you really need to. Somebody wants to clown on me.
Right.
Then we got problems. so we did it again. He goes, we want to take off at the same time. He says, ready? He has his window open. He goes, 1, 2. The minute he said 3, boom! I eased into it. So he pulls out. Remember, I got a turbo on this bitch.
Yeah.
He pulls out, and I went by his house. Got to the house. He started fucking all kinds of excuses. I says, don't worry about it, cousin. We're gonna gas him up again. Don't worry about it. We can do this again.
I'm gonna get your ass again.
We'll do it again.
You know, I love these cars, man. They nice and tall.
They never came back anymore after that.
Oh yeah, he knew. He knew once you ran off on his ass, he didn't have no action. Yeah, these cars, man, they nice and quiet and cool. When you get on them, they fucking run.
You wake up the bear, it's all over with. There's just a little bit, watch.
God damn.
13.7 pounds of boost, no more. Got 13.7.
Hey, I see what you mean.
But if I start easing into it a little quicker, we'll just do the GtPRiCH shuffle. I gotta back off when we start going around each other.
I see what you mean. That 13 feel good.
I swear to God, 13.7, no more. And I told her, leave that motherfucker right there.
Right there. Damn.
I don't fuck with this bitch anymore. Everybody's coming my fucking way now. This motherfucker gonna make a left up there.
I know they turn.
Move your shit. I'm gonna get in a little bit quicker now. It's gonna have to be in and out because I'll be all over the road.
Yeah.
Ready? Get your camera ready.
Oh yeah.
See, you know your shit to start running
Like that, yeah.
That's why I asked you.
Yeah.
What camera got this motherfucker? Give me the specs so I know how to set it up on the computer.
Yeah. That motherfucker come on.
This motherfucker shits and gives.
It do. It fucking do, man.
You believe me when I told you when my shit's at 13 pounds, I can't even control that
Exactly.
motherfucker.
I believe it. I feel it because it pin you in the seat. It feel good. It sound good. It ain't too loud.
Look how nice and quiet it is.
And it's nice and quiet on some regular
Now
shit.
yours is gonna be a little bit louder because you're gonna go to 3-inch exhaust because you got a solid motor.
Yeah.
You need that air going out, but that turbo's gonna push some fucking air.
Right.
So you need to expel that motherfucker real quick.
Come out, yeah.
So.
Ooh, I can't wait, man. Fuck, I can't wait, dog.
See, now you got the bug in you now.
Ooh, shit, man. We signing out, man. Cruising in the GN with the OG, man. Big Sod. Yeah, this going on YouTube, man. I'm gonna send it to you when I upload it.
All right, put it on there. I want to see it.
Hell yeah. Big Papa.
Little head, little head. Ready?
Yeah. Motherfucker break loose anytime you wanted to. Yeah.
I was at 40 miles an hour. And that's a Turbonetics turbo.
Good, man. What size is it?
70.
Ooh, hey, damn it. And it light up that quick?
Yep.
Fuck.
You think I'd have a little bit of turbo lag?
Yeah, that motherfucker clean. You lose. You right. You run up on that motherfucker, you will lose. Clean. Okay, going to get him some McDonald's.